messes in the sink, forks going missing, and a microwave that hasn't been seen for days. That's tonight's top story on Watchdog. Tonight on Watchdog, we go undercover to a scene of total devastation, the three-sided cube kitchen. Since January 2016, porridge incidents in the sink are up a shocking 78%. If you factor in Rice Krispies, that number almost doubles. We wanted to speak to one anonymous bowl about the incident, but it was too distressed to speak. Also, we found it incredibly alarming that almost 100% of three-sided cubes forks have gone missing. We decided to go undercover to find out what was happening. Some viewers may find the following footage extremely disturbing. Let's see that again in slow motion. Utterly disgraceful. Even more alarming is the disappearance of one microwave. So alarming, in fact, it's left a lasting psychological impact on one of our developers. What kind of sick, warped individual would think a microwave was actually there?
I don't know, I just got so used to it being there.
Clearly very sick. We managed to secure an exclusive interview with the cleaner. Tell us a little bit about how long it takes you to tidy up the kitchen.
No.
Do you like cleaning up the porridge?
No.
There we have it, the three-sided cube kitchen. Have we answered any questions? I don't know, but all I know is it's a mess out here. Next week on Watchdog, the charging station and devices going rogue. What are we doing about it?